Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are creating a very simple look. So I am using this Nova palette. So I want to use this palette to create a very simple look for the spring. I'm using this eyeshadow primer from Hina, and I am using my finger to blend the primer direct to my crease. Ensure everything is perfectly blended together. My primer is already blended smoothly without no harsh line. My brush is already wet with this fixing spray. Starting with this shade over here, I just have to look down to my mirror and start from this place.
You got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
Make sure you blend all the harsh line. Blend everything smoothly. I am using the same process on this other eye. I just have to blend the harsh line, blend everything as smoothly without any harsh line. So I am going for this dark shade, this brown. Next, I am using this shade over here. This shade here. Using this shade.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Adding a little bit of this gold.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you want.
I'm using this eye pencil on my waterline.
You in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you.
I am using this shade to blend it out.
Turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.